Which institute emerged as the only public sector hospital in India to perform 500 kidney transplants in a single year? Institute of Kidney Diseases and Research Center, Ahmedabad. National Youth Day, Yuva Divas, is observed every year on which day? January 12th, birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Which city is currently aiming to become India's first slum-free city with a population of 70 to 80 lakh? Surat. Which state is the host of Saras Mela 2026? Andhra Pradesh. Who is the author of the book History That India Ignored, recently launched by Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant? Prem Prakash. Recently, where has the Public Works Department, PWD, made it mandatory to install QR codes on road signs? Delhi. Anahat Singh won which medal in the women's under-19 final at the British Junior Open Squash Championships? Silver medal. Which country is the host of BRICS Plus naval exercise Will for Peace 2026? South Africa. The Directorate General of Mines Safety, DGMS, functions under which ministry? Ministry of Labour and Employment. Which state government launched the financial assistance scheme for Udasin Bhakats in January 2026? Assam. RQ-170 Sentinel stealth surveillance drone is developed by which country? United States. Mamadi Doumbouya has been elected as the president of which country? Guinea. The Ayanur Ammanur festival is mainly associated with which tribal community? Kota. What is the name of Goa's newly announced third district? Kushavati. The close quarter battle carbine is designed by which organization? Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. The Land Stack and Glossary of Revenue Terms was launched under which program? Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. Galaxy frog that was recently seen in news is endemic to which region of India? Western Ghats. Which telescope of NASA recently discovered a new astronomical object named Cloud 9? Hubble Telescope. What is the name of the initiative launched by Senapati Forest Division in Manipur to rejuvenate the Barak River watershed? Participatory Rural Appraisal. North Island, that was recently seen in news, is part of which country? New Zealand. Which ministry has launched the district-led Textiles Transformation Initiative? Ministry of Textiles. The 5th edition of the Tri-Services Veterans Day Parade was hosted by which city? Mumbai. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas or PBD is celebrated every year on which day? January 9. Where is the headquarters of International Renewable Energy Agency IRENA located? Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Indian Customs Electronic Gateway, ICE-Gate, is the national electronic portal of which organization? Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC. Where was the 3rd Indian Lighthouse Festival 3.0 held? Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Which panchayat in Rajasthan became the first fully organic village body in the state? Bamanwas Kankar Panchayat. Pax Silica is an initiative led by which country? United States of America, USA. Which organization launched the National Olympic Education and Development Program, NOEDP? Indian Olympic Association. Where was the regional level conference of Labour and Employment and Industry Secretaries of States, Union Territories held? Jaipur. Which state secured the first rank in the Export Preparedness Index 2024 under the large states category? Maharashtra.
Thanks for watching. Comment your score. For more such like videos, please like, share, and subscribe.